Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we will show you how to view the analytics landing page in Bigcommerce. Monitoring your store's analytics helps us track traffic, sales performance, and customer behavior. This way, we can make smarter business decisions and improve our marketing strategies. Let's get started. On the Bigcommerce dashboard, go to the left side. On the page, you will see Analytics. Click this drop-down. Here, you can first see the overview. You can check visits, conversion rates, orders, revenue, customers, and average order value, AOV. On the side, you will find purchase funnels, abandoned carts, top products, and top regions. In the Insights section, you can check real-time data. You can select which channels or stores to view. Here, you will find details and statistics for revenue, items sold, orders, and visits. Under Merchandise Listing, you can see products sold, orders, merchandise revenue, average price, and price range. At the bottom, you will find product options. Click the Marketing section. You will see that you can check the traffic source for your market. You can also check the subdomain. Now, once that's done, let's look at the orders. On the Orders page, you can see graphs showing order count, units sold, revenue percentage, and AOB. In the Customers Behavior section, you can see new customers and the rate of new customers. You can check everything here, from their first order to their last order. You can also check the graph of purchase tonnage or view it by numbers. In the Cart section, you will have an overview of your carts. Here it is. You can check the abandon rate and cart status by type. All the product information for your stores is here. And that's how we access the analytics landing page in Bigcommerce. Regularly reviewing store data helps us understand what's working and where there is room for improvement.